What if I told you that just $100 could open the door to long-term wealth? In 2025, investing has never been more accessible. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your first $100 into the beginning of your stock market journey. Here's the truth. Most people don't invest because they think they need thousands of dollars to get started. But that's a myth, especially in 2025. This video is for beginners, especially young adults who want to learn how to make their money work for them. We'll break down where to put your $100, what to avoid, and how to build smart habits from day one. Before you even open an app or buy a stock, you need the right mindset. Investing $100 isn't about turning it into $10,000 overnight. That's gambling, not investing. Think of this as the start of a long-term journey. It's about building good financial habits, understanding how markets work, learning patience and consistency. This $100 is your classroom. You're not just trying to make money, you're learning how to manage and grow it. Now let's talk platforms. The good news? In 2025, there are dozens of apps that let you invest without paying commissions and support fractional shares, which means you don't need $500 to buy a share of Google or Amazon. Look for these features when choosing a platform: zero commission fees, fractional investing, automatic investing tools, educational content. Some great options for beginners include Fidelity, great support, trusted brand; Robinhood, easy to use but do your homework; SoFi Invest, ideal for total beginners with built-in guidance. Pick one that works with your style: simple, safe, and trustworthy. Now you've got your app, but what should you buy with your $100? The smartest play for new investors? ETFs, especially ones that track the whole market, like the S&P 500. You've probably heard of Vanguard, SPDR, and iShares. These are all ETFs that include companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and more, all in one fund. By buying one ETF, you're getting exposure to hundreds of companies at once. That means instant diversification, which helps lower your risk. Your $100 can buy a fractional share of one of these, and you'll be participating in the performance of the entire US economy. Want to go even further? Try dollar cost averaging, or DCA. It's a fancy term for investing the same amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. So maybe you add $25 every month. Over time, you buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high, which averages out your cost and reduces timing risk. This also builds a habit. Consistency is key when you're starting small. Wealth doesn't come from one big win. It comes from steady, smart decisions repeated over time. In 2025, you'll see tons of people on TikTok, Reddit, or YouTube hyping up the next big stock or crypto coin. And while it's fun to follow the buzz, be careful. Hype fades, and volatility can wipe out beginners fast. Avoid pump and dump stocks, meme coins with no utility, high-risk day trading strategies. Your goal should be steady growth, not high-stakes gambling. You're here to invest, not to bet. Finally, don't just throw money in and walk away. Learn why your ETF goes up. Learn what affects the market. Treat this like a personal finance class you're paying for, because it is. Follow creators who teach, not just hype. Read books like The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Listen to podcasts. Watch channels like this one. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel, and the better your future investment decisions will be. So, let me ask you, if I gave you $100 today, what would you invest it in? Drop it in the comments. ETF, stock, crypto, whatever. And if you've already started, share your #1 beginner tip for everyone watching. Starting with just $100 might not seem like much, but this is about building momentum. Every investor starts small. What matters is that you start. Make 2025 the year you take your finances into your own hands. With the right mindset, the right tools, and a willingness to learn, you're on the path to financial independence. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips, and share this with someone who needs that first push. Your future self will thank you.